Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to filter audio Instagram without third app. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you want to make reel on your Instagram with audio on the Instagram, but before that you want to make your audio or sound for the background more unique, so and you don't have to use any third app to filter the audio. How to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your reels and choose the song or audio that you want to use. As example, I will choose this song. You can tap on the audio. I will choose another song. I'm sorry. But not all the song on the reels you can filter it. So you can choose song that we can filter. Just wait. So I will choose this song. So I will choose this song. Here's for the normal. Before we filtered, you can speed up by tap on the speed up here. You can slow it. Choose the slow. If you want to the sound the audio crunchy, you can tap on crunchy here. Like this, or you want to dreamy, you can tap on dreamy here. Or you want a radio effect, you can tap on radio. Example, I will choose for the speed up. Now you can tap on use filtered audio. Now we can use the audio like this. And now you can record your reels, or you want to add your video or photo from gallery and make it into reels using this filtered audio. So that is how to filter audio on Instagram without third app. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!